Hi, what's up, my boys? How are you doing? I think you're doing great in your life. Working on your goals, working on your future self, retaining your seed, and not giving fuck to everyone. I hope you're all great. And I have upgraded to mic because थोड़ा सा echo होता है background में, and that's a good thing that I've upgraded. I hope I will giving you some values in this video. And yeah, it's about the ejaculation. Agar if you don't ejaculate for 7 plus days, then what gonna happen? I have journal it out, and I will be sharing you in this video. Or चाहो तो you can tilt your phone for the better backup for your attention span, increasing it anyhow, because we are working on a masculine channel. I'm not giving you that hyper edited videos, and that's the point of my video. So let's start. Okay, when you retain, okay, your testosterone rises. It's the simple concept. 7 days is enough to raise your testosterone by 100%, and it's clinically proven. It's tested. Okay, what happens when you retain this? Your posture changes, your voice turns into deep. Okay, your eyes looks different, you have a different desire in your eyes. Okay, women can feel that energy. It's so easy for them, bro. I have told thousands of time, women can feel that energy so easily. कि भाई तू मुठ मारता है नहीं मारता सब पता पड़ जाता है उन्हें. They can feel it. That's the first source of nature, and it's so easy for him. Your body starts redirecting energy inward instead of releasing it outward. ठीक है, when you relapse now, your energy got drained. But when you sustains, okay, when you don't masturbate, when you don't ejaculate, it it becomes what we say, like it rotates all over your body. I know, it's the life force. That's why it's like rotating all over your body. ठीक है, that energy builds focus, confidence and presence, all things women instinctively crave. Okay, three things is the most crucial in terms of attraction. First, your focus. Second is your confidence. Third is presence. Like मैंने कई सारों को देखा है, कई सारों को देखा है. वो बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बट दे आर नॉट मेंटली प्रेजेंट, ब्रो. इफ यू आर नॉट प्रेजेंट ना, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. If you're working here and you're thinking of something another, like fucking someone or doing something else thing, you're a loser, bro. It can be smelled, it can be sensed. uh, you can just think it about your classroom, your meetings, or like a social gathering. पांच लड़के खड़े हैं, तुम they are talking about something, और तुम पता नहीं कुछ अलग ही सोच रहे हो, like you are in another world. So it's not a good thing. Okay, uh, retention sharpens your aura. You become calm yet intense, silent but magnetic. It's the difference between being noticed and being felt. Okay, like many people craves for being noticed. It's a loser thing, bro. Being felt is another type of thing. Like getting into someone and गेटेड बाय समवन इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है मेरा समझाने का तरीका, बट इफ यू आर शार्पन, इफ यू आर हैविंग अ विनर माइंड सेट, देन यू आर गेटिंग माई वर्ड्स. आई होप सो तुम मेरी बात समझ रहे होंगे. ठीक है, यू बिकम काम येट इंटेंस, साइलेंट बट मैग्नेटिक. ओके, इट शार्पन्स, लाइक you slow downs, but your energy provides a high end. Okay, it provides you values. That's the main thing of retention. It's the most important. It also increase dopamine sensitivity. You hacks your dopamine. Okay, you're not chasing that instant gratification. It's the most important thing. It's the five-star thing, that you are not chasing dopamine. Dopamine kills you, fucks you, makes you, washes you. It's the important thing. When you hex your dopamine, then your life becomes productive, becomes good. Okay, the molecule of motivation and reward. Suddenly you are not chasing cheap pleasure anymore, you are chasing growth. I told you again that dopamine is the over pleasure, over growth. That both are connected to the dopamine. Okay, the more you control yourself, the more respect you command. Women are drawn to men who can say no to their own impulse. Okay, when you command yourself, है ना, when you know that I am hacked by my lust, or I am controlled by lust, I have the desire to fuck, they can sense it, they can smell it. Even in your bedroom, she will say, you know, she will be at home. It happens many times with many men. They get a woman, they are into it, they spend a lot of money on them, they are into bed, she's ready in the bed, but she left away. Seriously, it happens thousands of times with many of men. Pata nahi, I have made this video, and like if it's getting 450, 500, 1000, 1 lakh views, I don't know. It happens, it happens. Okay, Okay, but it's not just about abstaining, it's about transmuting that energy, using it for the training, focus, and purpose. Retention without direction is just frustration. Okay, remember, if you're just holding some energy like this, it's a ball. If you're holding the energy, you know, then it's gonna blast. Okay, it's a simple law of what we say energy. Like, it cannot be, what we say, converted, or it just cannot be, it can be transferred only. Okay, so simple. If you are not letting your energy to transfer, it will transfer you, it will kill you anyhow. You have to transfer your energy into focus, into something productive, into working on yourself, into workouts, into that creation. That's why you are a man. Okay, simple rule is retain, build, transmute. The world and woman will fill you. Okay, just easy. It's so easy. Okay, remember these three terms. Okay, retain, build, transmute. You have to retain your energy, you have to build. Again, repeat the cycle. Retain, build, transmute. Simple. इट्स सो सिंपल. एनर्जी को होल्ड नहीं करना है, एनर्जी को निकलने दो, बट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, नॉट इन अ नेगेटिव वे, नॉट बाय योर dick, by your work, by your creation, by your energy. Like this video is being created, it's the transmute of my energy. Suppose you can transmute in any another fucking way. Every niche has a lot of money, every niche has a lot of work to do. I hope I have added some values in your life. Be strong, get sharp. मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. पीस आउट.